My name is Ashutosh Dubey and I'm from Eicher Trucks and Buses. At Eicher, we have been a pioneer in driving modernization in commercial vehicle industry. And with the advent of BS6 technology, we are proud to set yet another benchmark in trucking through the revolutionary U-Tech 6. U-Tech 6 is beyond BS6 and not new for Eicher. We at Eicher have supplied over 1 lakh BS6 engines to 41 countries in the last 6 years, have expertise of over 56 lakh kilometers testing on Indian conditions, and now have an innovative, first of its kind uptime center to ensure 24/7 support and highest uptime for the entire truck range. Talking specifically about Eicher's 5 to 7.5 ton range of light trucks for last mile delivery, we have focused on delivering best-in-class productivity, profits, reliability, and safety through our trucks, which are in real sense business ka badshah and are your true partners in prosperity. The all-new Pro 2000 range of 5 to 7.5 ton light trucks come with many first-in-industry features that give you the edge over your competition in the market. For the first time ever in segment, Eicher gives you option to choose from 2 engine configurations. Industry's first 2-liter 3-cylinder engine in segment that delivers best ever fuel efficiency. Another 3-liter 4-cylinder engine which performs like a beast in most demanding road and load conditions. Both these engines come with 4-valve configurations, first time in segment, ensuring superior air-fuel mixing and hence giving our trucks the best-in-class power, pickup and fuel efficiency at the same time. All our city trucks come fitted with M-Booster Plus switch in diesel and Auto M-Booster Plus in CNG, delivering optimum power and torque and fuel efficiency in all driving modes. We also have green band fuel coaching and cruise control in all our trucks, again, a first time in segment. Apart from the vehicle's core, its engine, there are multiple new enhancements that we have built around the truck to maximize the Eicher advantage we have for all our truck users. The new trucks in 5 to 7.5 ton range come with enhanced payload carrying capacity by over 500 kg across segments. We have an all-new narrow city cab available for better access to congested city markets and busy Indian roads. We now offer 2 trucks with distinct features and advantages to best suit customer needs for all your heavy-duty, moderate or voluminous goods operation in form of 2059, 2059 XP in diesel and CNG. The new light trucks redefine ruggedness with options of 2MX chassis, reinforced steel body, best-in-class cabin crashworthiness, bigger transmission and larger clutch plate. These 5 to 7.5 ton trucks beat all industry benchmarks when it comes to safety and comfort with dual panel cabin that has passed the most stringent ECER European crash test norms. It also comes with lateral sleeping provision, ambient noise and temperature insulation. Eicher's BS6 range of 5 to 7.5 ton trucks have features as well as a superior DNA that ensures superlative performance leading to highest profits, high payload and space and up to 7% better turnaround time. Unlike any other OEM, we offer unlimited kilometer warranty, lowest maintenance cost and longest service interval of 50,000 kilometers. Not only that, our superior uptime and value-added 360-degree support and after-sales services ensure that your trucks don't just earn the best from day one, but earn the best in the market for you non-stop, trip after trip. It's time you choose the best and experience Eicher's Business Ke Badshah range of 5 to 7.5 ton trucks for your city mobility needs. For any inquiries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or call Eicher Care on 1800 1023 531.